feeling?
Good, Lisa.
All right. It's AAPI.
AAPI. And this one, paint your own something doll. I don't know how to say English. You paint your own. They have doll for you to paint. Oh, it's Hawaii and Japan. Look at the pan. Oh.
Hawaiian.
I'm blowing my nose. Sorry. Yeah, that looks so good.
You want to put it on there?
This is Japanese food. Oh, what is
Thank
it?
you.
Want a doll to paint
Yes,
the doll?
please.
Okay.
Yeah, they can do that too for you right here. This, if you want tattoo.
Yeah, if somebody want to taste it, or they could taste it in the.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to do the tattoo, we have a tattoo here.
See, you want to
Yeah.
There you go.
She said chai.
So
This is chai. Watch it.
the way you do it,
Like this.
And then this one is Vietnam. See, every single one have their own. So Vietnam say, oh, I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah, this they have donut. Is it Vietnamese donut?
Oh, no, this is Vietnamese meat pastry if you want to take a
Picture. Yeah, I want to take a picture. Look at that. That looks yummy.
have a lot.
You got meat?
Huh?
You got
Yeah,
meat?
this one has pork.
Yeah, you can tell yourself. Oh, and the next one is Japan, and I don't know, I can't go closer. This is Vietnam, from Vietnam.
I want to do.
Good. And this is from Hawaii. Hawaii.
That.
So good. So I'm going to paint. I'm not good, but let me try my best. I'm gonna have pink face, pink mouth, pink eye,
Yeah, black
like
color.
that.
I didn't see black color.
But actually, my favorite color is green.
This black color.
So the hair gonna be green, like this. So she doesn't have too much hair yet, but she's still a baby. I'll show you guys final step when I'm done. So this is my final product. It looks like this. Isn't it? She's cute. Okay, thank you. Wow, little Jiang her, she done. Her is so cute. Look like her, beautiful.
Thank
All
you.
right. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one, which is they have DJ right here. What kind of song they play? You guys like the song? And this one is Philippines. I recognize the flag. Oh my God, Philippines! Look at that, so cute. Oh, so beautiful.
okay. So this is
You gotta try this. Yeah.
Wow, Philippines have so much food. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Philippines is just beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Oh, where are we gonna put? My hand's already full. Lumpia, please.
Man, is it me or Philippines the best?
Yeah, I want a lumpia.
They got lumpia.
I don't want that. I just want lumpia. Thank you.
Wow.
Lumpia, please.
Look at the Philippines. This is Philippines. Look at that.
That it's like
Oh my goodness.
one. Okay, let me think of another Christmas.
Wow. Philippines just have some dessert. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Pancit and lumpia.
Meron akong container pwede yun.
I'm eating pancit. Pancit.
It looks like
Long.
your master said that.
Oh. And look how cute that is. They give me one.
Okay, thôi.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is China. Right now we're here. Mandarin and Cantonese.
Yeah, Peking Beijing, yeah. Peking Beijing, yeah. Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, they play a game so they can get more gift. Hello, it's beautiful.
Oh, hi.
How are you? Oh, dessert.
They are not playing, they just want to take paper.
All right. Enjoy. Take some candy. Take some candy. Pineapple cake.
Candy.
What flavor is it?
Almond.
This is a mango pudding. Look. So good. This one is Korea, not Japan, Korea. See, so beautiful. This is their food, Korean food. I mean, this is the food. Look at that. Wow. Hi, look at all this food. Looks so amazing. Looks so yummy. Oh, they have fish
Beef or
cake.
fish? Yeah, beef or fish cake.
You can pick beef or fish cake. And then they have game for people to play. Oh, those are donut. Something boba. Look at that.
Natalie, oh,
Say beef.
I think I remember you.
Let's eat beef.
Yeah.
Nhầm béo.
That
Nhầm.
Did you went to our house
say-
before?
yeah,
you
yeah.
you know, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Good to meet you again.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good. She stay at home right now.
Very good.
Yeah.
Work from home, right?
No, not really.
Visit the Japanese section over here. And when you do, say hey to Chris, say hey to Lynn, and say hey to Sean. They got some good artwork over here. We got to do so.
The line is long for this one. We're waiting for this one.
Watermelon?
Yeah, there's watermelon too. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's go, let's go.
Maybe because we're on.
They got it from the Korean. The winner of what? Squid Game. Oh, you got gift! Yay! Nice. Here, this is a menu. And what kind of drink they got? They got. They didn't say what kind. But they make sweet moment for you. Look at that.
Anybody chocolate?
Chocolate. Who wants chocolate? Look at this. Look at this. Yummy, yummy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Whoever wants chocolate.
You say you want chocolate.
I would like a towel.
Yeah, she need a box. Who need a box?
Look at that. Look at that. Churro. Strawberry. Chocolate. Churro.
Sure.
And
Mango.
mango look yummy. And then there's a drink like this. Yeah, it's like strawberry, mango. Maybe I put this one. Yeah. And this one.
because we got 2 more. I want to make sure everybody has an opportunity. I'm gonna actually wait for that second round to go. Actually, yeah, let's start it over. That way the music doesn't end, because it does crescendo at the end and do some interesting stuff. So let's rewind.
I did.
Oh, it already did?
Yeah.
Oh, gangster. We're gonna go. Get my claps going. 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're gonna go tat, 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 tat. Ooh, so we decided to follow. We decided to mirror. Okay, that works.
Come on.
No, you're doing good. You're doing good. So if you need to, pause and reset. Yeah, we go.
You can learn how to make this. This is right here. We want to learn how to make.
I gotta do this one first.
Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. Shade. Wow. Oh, that is so
Oh, no, it's
beautiful.
coming undone. There you go.
And they're gonna do this without the 6 clapping initially, right? They're just gonna do the bottom clap so that they can keep the beat.
And then we're going to